Okay, I'm recording. Me recording. My baby having the hiccups.
Poor baby has the hiccups. They make him mad. Aww.
He's fine.
Poor baby. Aww. Now he's getting mad. He's getting mad at his hiccups.
That sounded like a kick.
It was a kick and a hiccup at the same time.
Is there anything we can do about the hiccups?
No, it'll go away eventually. Aww. Watch.
I think I saw that in Alien once. Okay. I got enough.